Hello, welcome to the carpentry department. Today is one of a couple of videos where we're going to be looking at the slide compound miter saw. This is a short video and we're going to be specifically looking at the do's and don'ts before we start to operate this machine here. We're going to be looking at what types of personal protective equipment are required by the operative before he considers turning the machine on. So starting from the bottom and working our way up, first of all we need to make sure that you've got your steel toe cap boots. You need to make sure you've got your high visibility vest. You then need to make sure that you have got some ear protection and adequate eye protection, whether those are goggles or safety glasses. Next thing to bear in mind is before you start to use any piece of equipment, we need to make sure that you've got the manufacturer's instructions to hand should you need them. These can be found in the technician's office and they are readily available. The machine comes in 110 volts and we need to make sure that this plug here is removed and isolated from the power supply before we consider doing any work with the machine. To set ourselves up, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my personal protective equipment on, and I'm going to be also ensuring that there is nothing that could get trapped in the blades. One of the common ones is your ID card. Your ID card should be pushed away and should be put down your jumper or shirt to make sure it can't get tangled up. Starting with the glasses, I'm going to remove my spectacles and put my safety glasses on. My ear protection, making sure that they're fitting snugly. No loose items. And at that point, I'm dressed appropriately, ready for using the machine. Again, make sure that this is isolated before we start setting up the machine.